ever seen a car or a truck that looks so shiny that it stands out from other vehicles? That vehicle is most likely just gotten a fresh coat of wax. With the information that I will be giving, you will be able to learn the process to correctly wax a vehicle. Learning to wax a vehicle will not only bring a brilliant shine to your car, but will also protect the paint for longevity. I've waxed numerous airplanes and vehicles for people and have become quite experienced in the industry of paint detailing. My first point will explain the necessary materials needed. My second point will elaborate the preparation step, and my third point will focus on waxing the paint. My first point will address the proper materials needed for the process of waxing a vehicle. You will need paint, a vehicle with paint that is in fairly good condition. This means that the paint has to be free from rust and oxidation. Oxidation is a dull and dry look that is caused from UV rays and other elements such as water, dirt, salt, and many others. The next item you will need is water. City water is preferred for better results over well water because it has been filtered to remove minerals like calcium, iron, and manganese that tend to cause water spots. If you don't have access to city water, you can go to a self-car wash. If you're not able to and your only water source is well water, that's fine too. The next materials you need are microfiber towels. These are better to use over regular cotton towels because they will help to prevent scratches to the paint. About 10 microfiber towels will do the job. These can be bought at Walmart or most automotive stores. The next items you will need is the wax, car soap, and a bucket. This can be bought at most automotive stores too. However, don't be too choosy when picking a brand of wax and a car soap. Most waxes are basically the same. Don't fall for the over-expensive ones that use crazy selling points. So this is a brand of wax that I like to use. It's cheap and it works really well and it lasts for like a year, I'd say. Now with all these items that can be purchased for under $50 or less, you will have everything you need to wax a vehicle. My second point will inform you of the most important step, the preparation process before you wax a vehicle. You want to start with rinsing the car off as best and thorough as possible. Then you will want to add some soap to a bucket of water. With your microfiber towel, you will dip it in the bucket of water and then wipe over your entire vehicle, getting every square inch of the paint. Be sure not to scrub too hard because you may scratch your paint. In this process, you will have to keep dipping the towel in the bucket of soapy water to get rid of the dirt accumulated on the towel. It is best to work in sections. Start with washing the front end of the car, the hood, front fenders and grille and bumper, then do the middle, the roof and doors, and then the rear end of the car, the bumper, the trunk, and rear fenders or bed if you're doing the truck. After this is done, rinse the car off with water very thoroughly. Now with your towels, you'll need to dry the entire vehicle. Being very meticulous with this process will give you the best results. My third point will address the final step, waxing the vehicle. The paint must be fairly spotless to apply the wax, which is why preparation is the most important step. Now you can start waxing the vehicle. Take a clean microfiber towel and fold it in half a couple of times. Now pour a little wax on the towel and apply it to the paint in circular motions or up and down. Wait for the wax to dry to a haze for a few minutes and then wipe the wax off with another clean microfiber towel. It's best to work in sections just like when you're waxing the car. Start with the hood and then washing the car, sorry. Start with the hood and then do the fenders and so on. After this is done to the entire paint of the vehicle, that's it to waxing the car. Go over the paint with a towel to make sure you didn't miss any spots. First point, address the necessary materials needed. My second point, inform you of the preparation step. And my third point, explain the step of waxing the vehicle. With remembrance of what I've just said, each one of you should be able to properly wax a vehicle and keep your paint looking new and durable. I highly encourage you all to wax your own vehicle, and if you are meticulous and correctly follow these steps, there's money to be made.